figured, why not just finish what people wanted, which is to have LSDJ style wave channel action on the Game Boy channel. The reason why I didn't do it originally was because the Game Boy doesn't have that as a feature. The only thing that's on a Game Boy normally is the wavetable here, which you can change and have fun with, but it's not a synthesizer. What LSDJ did was to do some kind of virtual instrument on top of the basic hardware, in which you can change the wave shape in real time, and so the sound reflects this change. LSDJ has a few settings. I briefly took a look at it. I was much more interested in doing something slightly different and original, since the hardware didn't do it. So whatever LSDJ does versus what I do, they both could run on the hardware. Of course, LSDJ has proof that it can, but I'm not doing anything extraordinary. I'm just changing the waveform on the fly internally, but it still respects the same amount of steps and everything. So if you play a bare note, you can mess with the pulse width. Just gonna change that here so you can see waveform changing. Of course, you can do that live with the CC on a keyboard. Of course, there's other modes than that. This is the typical one. I'll do that one last. Modulo, self-explanatory. That's it. This is one that I invented. It's really funny. It just changes the pitch of the thing. So not very musically useful in a composition, but anything goes. You can do what you want with it. The thing that really defines the wave channel-ish sound is really that waveform. So I'm just going to put saw here, and you're going to see what it sounds like. So if you want your ears clean, this is the kind of stuff you'd listen to. On top of that, in the meantime, you can also mess with the V position. Of course, on a saw, it doesn't do a thing, just because of the way a saw is made. So if you put a sine, I'm just going to change the resolution of the scope here. Just put it free. So it's just another trick. It really changes the offset, the vertical offset of the waveform. So you can combine the two, of course, and really do some very, 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 very nasty stuff. That's what I want, so I'm gonna go. So this is really it for now. An incremental change, but I hope you're gonna like it. So going back to work, you'll see what's in chipsounds 2.0 one day, sure.